In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get transcribed audio messages on Imessage in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic feature for those who prefer reading messages or when circumstances make listening inconvenient. It's all about making your digital communication more versatile and accessible. First things first, you'll need to ensure that your device is running on iOS 17 or later. This feature is exclusive to these newer versions, so updating is essential. To confirm your software version, navigate to your settings and head over to General. Under General, you'll see the software update option. Tap on that and check whether your iPhone is running iOS 17 or later. If you're not updated, go ahead and proceed with the installation of the latest version. This will ensure you have all the latest features and security updates. Once your device is set up with iOS 17, you're ready to dive into using iMessage for receiving audio messages. When someone sends you a voice message through iMessage, those are the ones in the blue bubbles, you'll notice something new. Right under the audio bubble, a transcription of the message will automatically appear. You don't need to switch on any settings for this to work. It's all enabled by default with iOS 17. The beauty of this feature is its convenience. You can choose to read the transcription quietly. This is especially handy if you're in a meeting, library, or any quiet place where playing the audio might not be appropriate. Alternatively, if you prefer listening to the message or verifying the transcription, you can tap the audio bubble to play the message. The choice is entirely yours, adding flexibility to how you handle incoming messages. There are a few things to keep in mind while using this feature. The transcription will only appear for audio messages sent through iMessage. It doesn't currently support regular SMS or other messaging apps like WhatsApp. And at the moment, transcriptions are only available for messages in English. This might change in future updates, but for now, it's something to consider if you communicate in different languages. This feature is designed to enhance your iMessage experience, making it easier to manage and respond to your messages in whatever format suits you best. Whether you're multitasking, in a noisy area, or just prefer reading over listening, having the transcription right there makes life a little simpler. Always make sure your iPhone is running on the latest iOS to take advantage of this and other new features. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to explore these new capabilities to suit your preferences.